But here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the updated version of minehut. Now basically minehut is a server operator inside of a server where you can go ahead and create your free server, add plugins, kick people, do whatever you like. It's a pretty cool server. I'd probably recommend making it if you're just trying to start off with a new server. I actually have my own server. It's the IP will be on the screen right now. But basically I'm going to go ahead and go through literally everything you need to know about minehut. Add-ons, ban people, kick people, literally do all the commands. And we're also going to show you a little bit about look perms. Now you can see on the screen that I have a couple tabs open, and this is what you're going to be needing. Now you're going to be needing obviously minehut open, but I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it and show you how to actually open minehut for the first time. Okay, so to go ahead and open minehut, you want to go ahead and come to your Google or whatever you're using and type in minehut.com/home. This should take you to the minehut website and go to the home page. Now you want to go ahead and press sign up in seconds. Now for me, I'm already logged in, so it should take me straight to my dashboard. But if you're not logged in, you'll go ahead and create your email. So put your email, password, date of birth and all that. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then go ahead and verify it's you and create your server name, and then it should go ahead and take you to your dashboard. Now your dashboard should look something like mine. Mine right now has two servers, but you probably should only have one unless you've made a second server. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to manage your server, add add-ons and everything like that, use some of the commands in game. Now first of all, to actually manage the server, you want to go ahead and find a button like this. Now if your button isn't there, you want to go ahead and activate the server like this and wait 30 seconds until this is done. Once the 30-second countdown is finished, you want to go ahead and press continue. This now has activated your server, as you can see right here. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and edit my other server. So if you want to go ahead and edit a different server, just press back onto your dashboard and scroll down and go to the other server. But if it doesn't take you straight to the manage page, obviously go to your dashboard and press manage server. Now automatically when you press onto the manage server, it will take you to the settings page. And at first, all you'll see is this. But if we go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, you can go ahead and edit anything you want right here, except from the max players, which you can go ahead and upgrade your plan, which does cost money if you want to go ahead and add more players to your server. Now the max amount of players for a free server is 10 players, but for a starting server that is pretty good. But like I said, if your player count is obviously always maxed out, you can go ahead and scroll right to the top again and go to the plan right here, and it's highlighted in green. Go ahead and click on the highlighted green and upgrade your plan around here. Obviously you can go ahead and create a server plan, but if you want to go ahead and add slots to your server, go ahead and come to server slots right here, and you can go ahead and choose how many slots you want to buy. Now credits are basically just little online currency things that you can go ahead and do /vote for on the actual server. You can go ahead and get credits to buy add-ons and player slots right here. So say you wanted 10 slots, you can go ahead and buy 1,000 credits. But if you want to go ahead and buy credits, you can go down here and press buy credits. And then this is where you buy credits from. And to get back to your dashboard, go ahead and just press dashboard right here and then back onto manage server. Like I said, you can change anything about this. I wouldn't recommend actually changing any of this. Just leave it as normal. Automatically update 1.17. Just leave that as that. Again, change anything around here, and that's really it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to the console. Now, if we go ahead and join my server, which is... Oh, I already have the command down. So, by the way, if you want to know how to join, it's just join and then the server name. So if I go ahead and de-opt myself, because I'm opt right now, you can go ahead and see that in the server console it says Beetroot YouTube made Beetroot YouTube no longer a server operator. But obviously you won't be opt in the first place when you're on your server, so you want to go ahead and actually opt yourself. So like I said, go to your console page right here at the top, scroll all the way down and it should say enter command. Go ahead and type opt and then your username. For me it's Beetroot YouTube. And the command has gone through right here, made Beetroot YouTube a server operator. I'll go back to Minecraft and I can literally do any command in the game. Basically you're under control on what the server does, so if you want to add any commands, you go ahead and come to the server control panel. But if you want to go ahead and add add-ons, this is how you do it. So you're on the console page, go ahead and go to the add-ons page right here. Scroll down and search for your add-on. Now I'm going to show you some of the add-ons I actually have in my server, but yeah, for right now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to actually download some. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is type in the plugin you want to add. Go ahead and search some stuff up on the internet, but for me I'm going to go ahead and go through what I have in my server and go ahead and download all of that. But first of all, say I want to add a plugin which chops down trees quicker. What I'm going to go ahead and type in is tree and scroll to the bottom and it says chop tree. Now I already knew this was here because I searched it up before the video, so we're going to go ahead and download it. Now the only thing you have to do is press install, but say you want to buy something like this, you need 400 credits to actually buy it. So yeah, obviously make sure that you have enough credits if you're going to be buying something. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and install the free thing right here, which is chop tree. Just press install, make sure it's on the right server. Next, yes, I'm ready to start, and wait for the chop tree plugin to install. Now if we go back to Minecraft right here, you can go ahead and see that it actually automatically kicks me out of the server. This is basically because obviously you're downloading a new plugin and it needs to restart the server. Obviously it'll restart automatically, just in case you're wondering. Now again, with the add-ons, I said I would go ahead and show you what add-ons I've actually added. I'd probably recommend all the essentials, essentials chat, essentials spawn, essentials look perms, and I think it's just essentials X and essentials. This just basically allows you to do all the commands in the game, but I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the plugins that I've added to my SMP server. So we've got essentials chat, essentials spawn, advanced ban, chop tree, groove prevention, lucky perms chat, economy shop GUI, look perms migration for permissions X, look perms vault, and we also have world edit downloaded, but it doesn't really show. So now I'm just going to go into Minecraft and show you some of the commands that I'm allowing my people to do. Now this is basically the way to set up Minehunt. You finish that part of the video, but if you're looking for extra commands, extra information, go ahead and keep watching. So to go ahead and add ranks, you need look perms. That's for a definite reason, because look perms basically makes ranks and you can add commands to them ranks. So say you want to go ahead and make an owner rank and a default rank where basically new players go into the default rank straight away. Well, obviously you want different commands for the owner and the default rank, or you want different commands for the admins and the helpers. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. But the first thing you're going to be needing is look perms. Look perms is just a ranking system. Now the first thing you want to go and do is make sure that you have look perms downloaded, like I said. And look perms is basically this all of these ones right here, probably just look perms, and I'm pretty sure it's look perms chat. You want to go ahead and download them two plugins, free on Minehunt, by the way. Anyways, like I was saying, if you want to go ahead and create a rank, you want to go ahead and do /lp editor. Go ahead and enter that and click on the link in the chat. Now you've clicked on that link in the chat, it should go ahead and say choose a group or user from the sidebar. Now obviously I've allowed different people on my server to go ahead and join my look perms chat website page, but if you want to go ahead and create a group, you can go ahead and press this button right here. Now you can see that I have literally a load of groups right here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make one. So go ahead and press the massive great big button right here which says add group, create group name. I'm just going to say hello, let's just say hi. Display name, we want it to be hi. And then if we want to add a prefix, we're going to go ahead and put it in brackets, hi. Then we're going to put a line, and then we are going to put a line obviously, and then one of these. Now you can go ahead and add a colour if you want to, but for me I'm just going to leave it as that. Now the colour you put in here will overthrow the colour that you add as a parent group, which I'll probably explain in a second. Okay, so you have this right here, display name hi, prefix hi with that little symbol on the end. Now to go ahead and enter commands that you want into your rank, you want to go ahead and come to the bottom bit right here which says add command, and say we want my people on this group to go ahead and do, I don't know, home. We can go del home, set home, home and set bed, and then we're just going to come to the far right and press add. Also I don't really know why I'm saying my people, just the people of my server I mean. And say I want broadcast as well. Okay, so now you've got your commands, all the commands you want to set as this group. You can go ahead and add parent groups. Like I said, the colour of your actual group will overthrow the parent group. So say I want to go ahead and add, I don't know, the mod to, actually no, we'll make another group and we'll just call it this. Like this, add a group. Say we want, I don't know, let's just choose random commands, chop, all of that, like that. Say we want to go ahead and go to the hi group and add a parent group, and it's going to be this one, all the commands that you have in this group will automatically go to the hi group, if that makes sense. Now, like I said, all the commands, prefix color, suffix color, will overthrow the commands in the parent group. So once you've gone ahead and happy with whatever you've done in your commands right here, go ahead and press save in the top right and click this to copy it to your clipboard. Come back to your server and Control V into the chat. Everything should be set to true. Now, I don't know if I actually mentioned this, but you can go ahead and delete groups if you want to. The way to delete a group is to just basically come next to the name in LookPerm's editor and press the X and delete. And press the X and delete. So once you've gone ahead and done all of that, you want to go ahead and add yourself to that group. So you want to do /LP user, your username. So for me, be YouTube, parent, set, and then the rank. For me, I'm going to set myself to hi. And you can go ahead and see that Beer YouTube has made their existing parent group cleared and now only inherits hi in the context global. So when I type, you'll see that it says hi with that thing on the end with Beer YouTube on the end. But say I want to go ahead and change myself back to mod, you can go ahead and do the same thing but with mod on the very end. And now I am a moderator. And say you want to go ahead and add yourself back to owner, just put owner on the end and now I am an owner. Now, say you want to go ahead and rename the hi to, I don't know, mod 1, mod 2, whatever, admin, owner, corner. This is how you do it. So /LP group, then the group name, and then rename, and let's just say mod 1. Oh, not mod 1, because I already have mods. Let's just do let's just name it name, okay? So /LP group, hi, rename, name. Now, basically, I want to rename hi to the name, if that makes sense. I didn't really make it too clear, but we're going to go ahead and change myself to name. And now I am name. So, basically, you can go ahead and rename it. Now, if that didn't really make sense, I'll go through it in another one. So, say I want to go ahead and change the group hello to hi. I want to go ahead and press and type /LP, and then the group. So /LP group, then the group name, so hello, and then let's just say rename. What do we want to rename it? We'll rename it helper. Let's just rename it helper 2, okay? So now we're helper 2, and when I go ahead and change myself to helper 2, we can do /user, be YouTube, parent, set, helper 2, and now I don't have to type in hello. So now I'm this, and I'm hello, if that makes sense. And now just an extra thing that you may want to go ahead and add to your server is these commands into the default role. Now the default role is basically the role that every person gets when they first join your server. Now you can go ahead and rename it if you want to, but for me it's just the rookie. Now default on LookPerms is just the one that everyone joins to, but I gave my default people these commands. So we've got /home, /set home, and you can go ahead and read through all of this. And the kits one, which you go ahead and create kits, is /kit create, and then everything in your inventory will be basically in the kit. So /kit create, and then we can go ahead and add a delay to it. So you have to do /kit create, and then let's just say I want a 10-second delay. I've gone ahead and done that. It should take a little bit because it has to go ahead and register everything in your inventory. So we've gone ahead and done that. And now we'll go ahead and do /kit test, and we've got the kit test. If you want to go ahead and delete kit test, and that's basically it. Okay, so hopefully everyone enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's a bit of a different video and kind of confusing, but hopefully it helped. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye!